So it's now September the 19th and we're back at home and we've been trying to get some stuff done to our caravan. There's Toby. And this is our caravan. It's an old 1976 lightweight Vagabond. After our trip down the South Island we were like, we need to buy a motorhome, but we love camping and we've had this for a few years now. But there's a few things wrong with it, so we've been trying to get them sorted out. So this is the inside of our caravan. It's got like a reasonable sized bed there, so if it's raining and we're camping, normally Soph sleeps on that bed with one of the kids. A child here and a child here, and I sleep on the floor on a mattress. But we've got a few leaks in here, so this is one of them. It's done a little bit of damage up onto the roof there. There's another small one just in here. And there is one more. Oh, I can't go down there. Underneath here. We had it taken in to get some quoting done to get it self-contained, a new fridge, and the quotes come back at $15,000. That's double what we paid for it. 15 grand to get some work done on it. So I'm going in and I'm going to talk to them about it, see how we can make it a little bit cheaper. Here's our Goldie, our Kawhi down there. After I'd been into Ace Caravans to talk to them about the quote, I kind of understood a bit more about why it was so expensive, because all our gas is non-certified, but they were real helpful and gave me some good advice on how I could do it myself. Right, heading off to the RV Mega Centre to go and get some stuff for self-containment with good friend Dr. Leon and some roadies.
Hi.
The RV Mega Centre. We're trying to grow our channel to 1,000 subscribers, so if you don't mind clicking subscribe below, that would really help us out.
I hope it's mega. If it's little, I'm going to be real disappointed.
Let's go!
It's mega.
Is it mega, Leon? This place is awesome. You've got all your toilet stuff. Alright. Got some of the stuff. Did you have a look at any of the caravans?
Yeah, mate.
Did you go around that way? Hopefully we've got everything we needed. Self-containment, bring on camping next month.
Is anyone going to christen the toilet?
Cost just over $500 to get the toilet, the grey tank, and a few other things we needed for self-containment for the caravan. The $15,000 quote we had boiled down to $236. We just got the hinges changed on our door and a latch fixed on our skylight. Right, let's go home. Spraying a bit of 30 seconds onto all this. Getting the resealing done was real easy, and it all worked, which I was stoked about. Resealed the caravan, its leaks have now gone. You can see here. Beautiful resealing. It's done a bit of damage over the years, and the one we had back here, well, good to say that's all no longer getting wet. So the idea is this hose goes from the sink here down. Too much canned food. In case COVID-19 got out of hand, we were prepared. So one of the things that you need to do for self-containment is have an S-bin in your sink. The guy at the RV Mega Centre said all I needed to do, come and have a look in here, right, is just put a cable tie around the sink like this, and we're good to go. So that hole's a little bit tight for pulling that cord through, so see if we can get it with the pliers. Had to get this bit of my drill on to make it the hole a bit bigger. It's getting a bit tight. There we have it. Right, we've got all our plumbing in. Got this bucket of water here, and we'll see how waterproof all this piping is. is a slight leak in there, look. Tighten up. So we're not getting the fridge, but we've got this massive chili bin instead. Should we open it, Toby? Okay, look out. Oh, it's all sellotaped. Go, Toby, pull the box down. Lock her in. Go smaller. Got this one on one day for $200. It's supposed to be a heavy duty, hold ice for 5 to 7 days.
75 litres.
$200 is a lot cheaper than the $8,000 it was going to be to get our gas fridge put on. We've been packing up the caravan, getting ready to hit Maratā for the weekend. Kids are doing a bit of cleaning, so we can come home to hopefully a semi-clean house. Sweet. Ta-da! This has got to be one of the cheapest campgrounds I've stayed at. So far I forgot body wash, chopping board, coconut cream for dinner tonight, bug spray,
Help me!
So Jade, what just happened?
Nothing.
Quick!